welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for southern style fried cabbage. This is going to be so delicious, and to get started, here I have my cabbage already chopped. I'll be using some bell peppers and onions. I have some bacon, smoked sausage. I'll be using some minced garlic. I have fresh thyme, some apple cider vinegar. I have some W sauce, complete seasoning, black pepper, mushroom seasoning, creole seasoning, brown sugar, and some smoked paprika. In a preheated pot, I like to start off by cooking my sausage first. So I will now add my sausage in the pot without adding any oil or anything. The sausage has a bit of fat in it, so that will be perfect. You don't have to add any oil here, but if you want to add oil or butter, you can. I like that nice charred look on the sausage. So we'll cook them, and as soon as they brown up, we'll give them a flip. Once the sausage is brown on both sides, we'll go ahead and remove the sausage, and we'll add our bacon in here. We'll cook the bacon until it's rendered and it's nice and crispy. Once the bacon is nice and crispy, we'll go in with some butter, and then we'll add our aromatics. We'll add our onions and bell peppers first, and we'll allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our garlic and thyme and allow them to go for about a minute or so. You know, I had to add some thyme in there. I love thyme. So we'll allow them to go for about a minute, and then we'll add our next ingredient. Next, we'll add our cabbage in here, and we will cover it and allow it to wilt before we give it a toss. Because as you can see, the pot is a little bit small for the amount of cabbage, but once it wilts down, it will be just right, and it'll be easier for us to toss it. So after about 5 minutes, we'll go in and give this a little toss, because I can see that it's not wilted enough. So we'll toss it and allow it to wilt some more before we start adding the rest of our ingredients. After about 10 minutes, we'll now go in and start adding the rest of our ingredients. We'll add our seasonings. And by the way, remember that you can season to your own liking. Use whatever seasonings you like or you prefer in this dish. You season, and then we will add our apple cider vinegar. We'll add a nice tang, and we'll add our Worcestershire sauce. We'll also add the brown sugar to balance everything out, and we'll cover this and allow it to simmer for about, let's say, 8 minutes. So at this point, the cabbage is almost done. So we will now add our sausage in here, give it a good toss, and we'll allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so the sausage can absorb all the flavors of the cabbage. So the cabbage is now completely done and it's ready to be served. This is the perfect side dish, or it can be eaten as a full meal because that's how my husband liked to eat it, as a full meal, like a keto diet, and it is just perfect. And here you have it, my version of a southern style fried cabbage. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!